Hi viewers, warm welcome to JD Realtors LLP property channel. Right now you are watching a 3 bedroom flat for sale east facing in Gachibowli. It is just beside to the AIG Hospital and close to the IKEA Mall, High Tech City, Meenakshi IT Park. All these are just stone throw away from this community. The community name is Gautami Icania. Right now you are watching lift lobby and corridor. It is total 2 acres community with two towers, tower 1 and tower 2, minus 2 levels car parking, stilt plus minus 1 car parking levels. This is the entrance and the corridor. You can see Ramki Towers and Meenakshi Trident Apartments and AIG Hospital. You can see from your entrance. This is the main entrance. This flat is 2100 square feet with high-end interiors for sale. And this is the drawing area. As it is, whatever you are watching, it is including the sale. Only mobile clothes, kitchen related things, they will take it off from the flat. And this is the drawing area. Your drawing has a balcony. The view from your balcony is towards the AIG Hospital and Ramki Towers and Meenakshi Trident Apartments. This is just opposite to the Meenakshi Bambino Villas community. From this place, Gachibowli flyover just 500 meters and IKEA is less than 1 kilometer. AIG Hospital 500 meters less than, and Kondapur High Tech City you can reach less than 1 kilometer. This is your hall, dining cum living area. This is the dining area. Near dining there is a crockery unit. This is the sliding access to the balcony. This flat has two balconies. One is for the drawing, other one is for the your hall. Right behind of this flat is the AIG Hospital. You can see it, and there is a setback between the hospital and this community. The community name is Gautami Icania. It is G plus 5 stories building, and this flat is for sale in first floor. And all furniture, ACs, all are very new, brand new, and they also bought very recently, less than 5 months, because of their personal requirements or needs. They are selling this community, this property. This is the balcony. This is the wash basin near the dining area, and this is the common toilet. It is complete 3 bedroom and 3 toilets, and 2 bedrooms are with attached and one is the common toilet. This is the common toilet. Price of this apartment is 2 crores. Very little bit negotiation is there on the price. Interested buyers, please contact and display number to visit this flat and purchase this apartment. This is the modular kitchen. If you see, completely they used the aluminum in kitchen and granite also they did with high quality thing. This flat is with high-end interiors. If you see, it is completely aluminum one, very strong, and durability also will be higher side. And all done very recently, less than 5 months. It is complete interiors, everything is old. This is complete other side also storage of the kitchen. This is the utility area. If you are looking for a property in Gachibowli area, this is the very right property to you. If you like, you can purchase. First time if you are watching our channel, kindly subscribe for more future videos like this property. If you see the granite, it is high-end quality granite, and the sink also, it is very different, 2 parts it is there. And this is the master bedroom. And this is a corner flat. It has 2 windows in the master bedroom, and one side you can see complete wardrobes are there. In master bedroom also there is a TV unit. This is the master bedroom attached washroom. Price of this apartment is 2 crores. Little bit negotiation is there on the price. Interested buyers, please contact and display number to visit this flat. This is complete master bedroom view. This is the second bedroom with attached washroom along with a walk-in closet area. In all the bedrooms there is a AC unit, and hall also there is a AC unit. This is second bedroom. You can see here there is a cupboard space, cots, beds, everything including in the price. Excluding registration, price of this apartment is only 2 crores. Size of this apartment is 2100 square feet. This is the walk-in closet area, and this is the washroom. And flat is very well maintained flat. And frames, washroom frames also total granite frames. And this is the guest bedroom, third bedroom. If you are interested, please contact and display number to visit this property. Thank you for watching entire video. Please subscribe our channel for more future videos like this property. If anybody, your family, friends looking for a property in Gachibowli, kindly share this video with them. Thank you so much.